So we have talked about the lipid, its structure, its asymmetrical motion, and it's about the fluidity. Lipid basically responsible for the structural component of the plasma membrane, while membrane protein or the protein which are usually present in the plasma membrane are the functional part. They perform the function, whatever the function is, going on in the plasma membrane. It is usually uh, done by the protein only. So the functional part is the membrane protein, and the structural part is by the lipid. Membrane protein. There are the three types of the membrane proteins are present in the plasma membrane. First one is integral protein, the second one is peripheral protein, and the third one is lipid linked protein. Integral, as the name suggests, they are embedded deeply inside the lipid bilayer. The another name for this intrinsic or transmembrane. Transmembrane is across the membrane. So integral protein are something, or we can say they are the protein which are embedded deeply in the lipid bilayer, that is from the outer leaflet to the inner leaflet of the bilayer, and which cannot easily detach from the lipid bilayer, only possible if the lipid bilayer structure get dissolved, and it is only happen with the help of some detergent. So the integral protein are deeply embedded in the membrane bilayer. If it is deeply embedded, means it is also interacting with the hydrophobic core of the lipid bilayer. It means it has some structure which are hydrophobic in nature. So let's discuss. There are some strands of the alpha helices as well as the beta barrel. Alpha helices means they consist of hydrophobic segment, and these hydrophobic segments are made up of 20 to 25 amino acid, which are usually hydrophobic in nature and are embedded in the hydrophobic core of the lipid bilayer.